Hi friends, you watching Origami Time with Namai, and in this video we'll make Christmas gift box. First, we'll make a basic triangle, and for that you can follow the steps on the screen. This box doesn't really store anything, but the main purpose of this is for the decoration purposes, and this is completely origami, so that's a plus point. This is also a nice origami item to make for Christmas because it's really easy and beginners can easily master this. And now that is how we make a basic triangle, and this paper was the best to demonstrate how to make the basic triangle. Now I'll just change the paper so that we can further proceed on to making the Christmas box. Now we look at the open side and the place where the paper has a bit of the opening and a hole. Now we'll blow some air in this, and once we do that it will become puffed up just like that. And now we'll shape the corners to give it a more boxy and a cubical shape. Here we need to reinforce the edges. The main box is ready, and now we just need to make the stripes on the top, and for that I'm using simple aluminium foil, and you just need to fold it like this and then make it into thin strips.